Hello, good afternoon. So welcome to today's class in Creative Arts and Sports. Actually, we are not going to learn like normal learning. Since it's exam time, I would like to start having revisions in Creative Arts and Sports. And let me start with grade 6. So today, grade 6, I have this paper here that I'm going to revise with you. And the first question says, Alex was asked by the teacher to state the gymnastic skill illustrated in the picture below. You can look at the pictures and the progressive sequences. So the question says, identify the correct answer. By looking at the sequences, the correct answer here is forward roll. So if you write forward roll, you are very correct. Number 2, what is the name given to how dark or light a given color or shade is? So dark to light, that is tonal variation, which is choice C, tonal variation. Then which of the following is not a value learned from East African community anthem? Unity, peace, patriotism, and laziness. Of course, laziness is not a value. Then number 4, Wandindi is a musical instrument played from which community? Wandindi is played from Kikuyu community. So the correct answer here is D, a Kikuyu. Then look at the picture there. That is number 5. The picture below shows a learner swimming in a swimming pool. Which one is not a safety measure that the learner should observe? We have A, swimming while eating. B, wearing appropriate swimming costumes. C, never swim alone. Then D, do not push each other on the swimming pool. So the rest from B, C, and D, they are very correct. The one which is not correct or it does not apply for safety measure is swimming while eating, because you can be choked when you are swimming and you collapse or you can die. Then the technique used in a drawing technique, drawing the picture below is known as, just look at the drawing of a horn, which is also a flute or a wind instrument. Let me say a wind instrument. Then look at the technique. So we have use of crosses. We have smudge technique, cross hatching, stippling, montage. When we use the crosses and lines, it becomes cross hatching technique. Number 7. Grade 6 learners were asked to name the following symbols respectively. Who gave the correct answer? So the first symbol is a semi-brief, and then the next one is a crochet. Then we have a minim and quiver. So the correct answer is D, semi-brief, crochet, minim, quiver, kui. Kui gave the correct answer. Which part of a drum is hit to produce sound? We hit the resonator or the skin membrane. So the correct answer here, number 8, is C. When we hit the resonator, it produces sound. Then which of the following is not a wind instrument? Wind instruments played by blowing. We have kayamba, durerut, nzumari, and oporo. Kayamba is a percussion instrument. So the correct answer, and for number 9, is A. Then number 10, complete the following line of the East African community anthem. This one sings like Mungu twaomba uilinde. So the next sentence or the next word is ulinde. In fact, it's supposed to be uilinde. So the correct choice for number 10 is B, ulinde. Then number 11, identify the sulfur syllables represented by each of the following Kodali hand sign. Do, we have do, then the other one is mi, then re, fa. The correct answer is C. Do, mi, re, do, mi, re, fa. Yeah, correct answer is C. Then Divina was asked by her friend to name one material that will be used to make papier mache. Which answer is correct? Papier mache is use of papers which we can soak. We soak them and then mold them to be used in the artwork. So the material that can be soaked here, we have pieces of clothes. No, that one can't. Wood can't. Clay can't. Then waste papers, yes. We have the correct answer B. Number 13. How is a discant recorder played? Of course, a discant recorder is a wind instrument, so it is played by blowing. The following are letters that are written by the grade 6 learner on a chart. Which one is a descender? Descender are those letters that has some part of their has some of their parts going down from the main body. So G, which is option C, is the correct answer, or is a descender. Then the following are locally available materials that are used to make wind instruments except one. Name it. Locally available materials. We have clay rolls, we have horn, we have bamboo, we have reed. So clay can make, we can make out of clay, horn can, bamboo, but the reeds, those leaves, they are the less choice there. 17. The person who leads the others when performing a folk song is known as, the person who leads others is known as a soloist. Then group D in grade 6, West class, was asked by the creative arts teacher, who is Mr. Masinde, to describe the function of a resonator in a fiddle. Who gave the correct answer? Function of a resonator. Resonator is to amplify sound. So the correct answer is C, nyambura, used to amplify the sound. Number 19. The tube used to improvise a wind instrument should be, of course, should be hollow, so that we can get that air passage. Then the following is a musical note symbol. How many beats are there? This one is a minim, and a minim has 2 beats. Ta, a, 1, 2. Then number 21. Mora wanted to compose a song that talks about the issues that affects the society. Which type of a song was likely to compose? Which type of a song? So when we talk about things affecting the society like this,